Hello and welcome to our video about Pi Coin, the cryptocurrency that is revolutionizing the world of finance. But first, let's talk about what cryptocurrency is. Simply put, it is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses strong cryptography to secure financial transactions, control the creation of additional units, and verify the transfer of assets. Now, onto Pi Coin. Pi Coin is a decentralized cryptocurrency that operates on the Ethereum blockchain, a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts, applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of downtime, censorship, fraud, or third-party interference. One of the things that sets Pi Coin apart from other cryptocurrencies is that it is designed to be easily accessible and understandable for the average person. It has a user-friendly mobile app that allows anyone to start mining and earning Pi coins, simply by signing up and staying active in the network. But what is mining, you ask? In the world of cryptocurrency, mining refers to the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the public ledger. When you mine Pi coin, you are essentially helping to keep the network secure and running smoothly. And as a reward for your efforts, you earn a small amount of Pi coin. So why would you want to mine and earn Pi coin? For starters, the value of Pi coin has been steadily increasing since its launch. As more and more people join the network and start using Pi coin, the demand for the cryptocurrency goes up, which leads to an increase in value. This makes Pi coin a great investment opportunity. But it's not just about the potential financial gain. By using Pi coin, you are also supporting a decentralized and democratized financial system. Because it operates on the blockchain, there is no central authority controlling the distribution or use of Pi coin. This means that it is not subject to the same fees and regulations as traditional financial institutions, which can make it a more accessible and affordable option for people around the world. So there you have it, that's Pi coin in a nutshell. We hope you found this video informative and that you are now interested in learning more about this exciting cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching.